Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. My people, this story when I want to talk about today, a very, very sad story. The way some ladies, the way that they take this marriage thing, like one kind do or die something, I don't really understand. Not be say maybe I just concentrate on only our ladies or our men say that they do bad, but I'm waiting I see. You understand? Okay, see this woman now. A day husband as in with your husband the day. So you can go carry a brother, a sister, a daughter, may come they stay with them. So you can't stay with them for house. That's what because they 8 years we don't stay with them. So this woman say husband they go they touch that small pikin. So the small pikin don't tell her before she know, but he say in go warn the husband say make him not try that thing again. No, but in short for the small pikin don't believe him. Not know he say the man never serious, he see they do him. So the man said that even the jogo do the small pikin. You can imagine small girl, the man don't they do him. Don't they do am to that small pikin. So the small pikin now the thing can't even enter am. The man they do am all the time to that small pikin. The woman even know. He say he no know how she want go about am because the man say if you try am talk and come out and go kill am. Then the man continue to the do am. The man continue to the do am until that's what pikin come dey 14 years. Now your husband don't give the small pikin belly now. So she now don't know how she want go about him now. Now she can't cry come out now. Whether may she go report the man to police or may she go report out to the village people or his sister will give her the pikin. When I see the way some women say they behave, the way they take the cover for their husband, when I see them, I don't really understand some women, Sha. I don't understand at all. So your own husband, they do this kind of thing ever since. When this small pikin even dey 8 years, you don't talk. That is child abuse number 1. You don't talk, come on, so that means they arrest this man fast. You don't talk. You keep everything to yourself. Now you can't give my belly, now you can't cry, come out now. Madam, they do you this one. They do you this one, madam. Must you even marry yourself? Because this marriage where you marry somewhere, it be like say where you fair con life, you not marry. Now where you can come, now you can say no, you must. You even use your head. Take carry am. Hey, madam. This man wey you supposed to don't report to police ever since. You no report am. If that small pikin tire you to take care of, why you not carry and go give him mama? When you can't let your husband just vandalize her like that. If you carry and go give him mama, because you all know say the small pikin he not there with you. Then when you say allow your husband just go to that, that is the man it will go far before you can even cry come out. I don't understand some women. Ladies, make una wake up. That is if some of them they sleep, me I don't know. Your own husband they do this kind of thing to you. You even know you the cover. You the cover ever since for this man. Why be safe they give una pikin say money take care of if you know say you not go fit? Why not they return them? One what I see for Facebook once at a time when this woman when they do human rights, when they see one small pikin carry big load, every load put for head. They ask small pikin, who give you say that auntie when they stay with? People for that area even testify say that every time, and that's what pikin they carry that big load. They can't rescue that small pikin, they can't call the woman. When they tell her, make she even lift the thing, she not even lift herself. When every police they want to arrest and she begin to beg. They say, give this small pikin make he even carry that kind of thing. He give am money, make he enter bus. Now don't see person wey will give money say enter bus, he go say no go enter. Una don't see. Una go just get wicked mind. Person wey feel wicked person like that, you know, fit poison person. If una know say una no fit take care of those children, una want to take them again now. Now your own go even worse pass now, madam. Your husband don't finish that small pikin, and now you can't cry, come out now. Say you don't know how you want go about your life now. You don't know. Madam, go report that man to police because they're supposed to arrest that man. Go report him. Go report that man. Mona help me advise this woman. May go report that man. I'm somebody who just get that kind of wicked mind. Now you don't give this one became belly, and now you can't talk and come out now. Now you can't talk and come out. Even you self, you supposed to even they cool off for prison with that man self. For what will not do? What will not do, Evil devil himself no go do one. Madam, when you fail con life, it be like say you not fail marry. When you say you dey cover for that, how you go even that man not even worth to be somebody husband. You know what I'm? You know what I'm to be somebody husband at all. Because person husband if you do that kind of thing. A real husband would see small pikin that can they attract him. Your own wife they as now small pikin that can they attract you. May God have mercy on you, this man. May God have mercy on you. For what you do that small pikin. If they do it to your own daughter, you go there happy. You go there happy. You go there happy when you go there. When you see what somebody do to your own pikin, you go there happy. You go there happy, oga, madam. When I go there happy. For what you do to that small pikin. I will not destroy that small pikin life. Will not destroy him. Will not destroy that small pikin life. May God have mercy on una. Go report that man to police first. So that from there call the family. Because what you now do to this small pikin, God will judge you now. What you supposed to do talk at since when they arrest this man, you cover for him because of you don't want to scatter your home. Which home? That will not be home. The home don't already scatter long time ago. It does scatter long time ago. The home does scatter since that one they not even repair that kind of home again at all. That man, this man, you wicked. You are a very wicked man. For you to do that kind of thing to that small pikin, you are a very wicked man. You need deliverance. Deliverance now you need. So your own wife, Momo, not going to sweet you again. Now small pikin, we just the corn life. Now can they sweet you? Now you can they sweet you? Oga, you need deliverance. May they deliver you. For what you do to this small pikin? No. God not go forgive you. Really. Madam, try. May you report this man. May you go tell your sister. Tell all the village people. Call all the people. May you tell them. May you tell them. Because this man not worth to be your husband. He not worth him at all, my people. He not worth him. This man not worth him at all. He's a very wicked man. You know what him. Man are not vex they use all those kind of words, but the man, what he do, evil devil himself not go evil do him. Some women, the way that they take this marriage thing, or maybe they not become single mother. Now it make that they cover all those things. Single mother not be human being. They not be human being. Not be something make them be single mother. Like this your own. Now if people come and say they're girls, man, you go see come and say you girls, man. Single mothers, they be human being. Now somebody na make them be single mother. Now man na make them be single mother. I believe say no woman will go see good home, we not go one stay. You know they. Everybody wants settle down. But the right one, that will they pray for. May God give us. Like this kind of woman, I know my people. Now want tell me now say na marriage na she dey. Excuse me. That will not be marriage. That one not be marriage. Marriage with man. Figure say na small pikin come dey attract am. That will not be marriage, my people. I beg, make una help me advise this man. Make una help me, whether it's sense. It don't say when the sense come out. I beg make una help me advise am so that make his sense come back again. Because his sense have to come back to life. I'm not sure say she still did this life. Oh. His sense have to come back. I beg make una help me pray for this woman. I beg make una help me advise her. Make she go report this man. And what I got to talk for this topic. Be this one, my people. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Share this video for me, please. Anybody who will see this video, make it help me share them. So that make it even reach the village people and make it reach everybody. And so thank you and God bless you people. And bye. And share this video. Subscribe and like my video. Bye.